Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Winter Forest. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for similar video. Today I'm focused on design question. It's a part of the top interview question. The task asks you to do implement a min stack. Design a stack that supports push, pop, top, and retrieve the minimum element in constant time. So you have a push and a pop, top, and get a min. The push will push element X onto the stack. Pop, remove the element on top of the stack. Top, get the top element, get a min, retrieve the minimum element in the stack. Here said if it is the stack empty, they are just so you the constraint is always be called. So this won't be called if it is empty. So if it is empty, it could select exception. Okay, so what I'm thinking, I'm going to use a linked list. So I will keep move the head every time you push things in. So you actually, so what are you going to do? So you have a lot every time. If you push one in, one is the head. But if you push two in, and then the two is the head, then the two pointed to one. But I need to have a place remember my min. So every time you coming in, I go into office. First time if you push the one is push it is 1, then second time push 2 is the min, still stay the min. And what happen you push 3 in, then you stay. What happen you push 0 in, then you update this to 0. So going to have the linked list. So if you, so the latest one always is the head, because when you pop up, just return, remove and just get rid of this one, change this to the head. And when you push, you just push something in, change to the head. But when you get a min, you already have a placeholder, remember the min. And when you top, the top just get a current head dot value. So that is the simple way to implement. So if you have a linked list, then I need a route. And then I'm going to define my node. I will compare the issue I have this old min I will explain it, because when I pop up the min, the top, if it is the min, then you need to update the previous min, move to the previous min. And like I said, I need a placeholder, remember the min. By default, it will be the integer dot max value. It will be updated when you push item in. And I will have a head. Every time you push item in, then by default the head is null. So you push it in, then this item digit will be the head. And when you push things in, then you build a new node. And if the head is empty, so you first time push in, then it's easy. Then the head just equal to what you pushed in this new head. What happens is the second time coming in. Second time coming in, you're going to move the current the next equal to head, and change the head equal to n. So if you already just push the 1, 2 will be head. You push another in, then 3 is the head, and 3 is the new one, and 3.next equal to head. And also you keep tracking the value because they updated the mean value. If first time coming, you definitely smaller than mean because by default the big is integer. So then previous one mean will equal to this one, and then equal to mean dot n dot value. How about you pop up? You first check if it is you already push item before or not. If you haven't pushed item, just start pop up, you will throw exception. Otherwise, just return. Oh, this is a pop, not the top. So otherwise, just you move the head. This is the current head, and the head will change the end current head dot next because you remove current head. And also you're going to update the mean. Yeah, and top also saying you're going to throw exception if the head is null. This expect you return integer, so it will be your head dot value. The get mean just return mean. See if this satisfied tested. Finish it. Okay, let's submit. See all the scenario pass. Accepted. That's awesome. Thank you. Hope you like it. And bye.